everybody! So today on Tracie Reed Designs, I am going to be doing another Dutch pour. Hazel's hanging out with me for a little bit, and I'm using primary elements again, so I'm going to jump right in and get started. So the painting is dry, and again, another non-typical Dutch pour. There are a few fractals in here, and it just, to me, looks like a storm, like a crazy storm. It looks like I've got some lightning, clouds. I really, really love this. Also some texture. I did change my base paint on this one. Instead of the white with Floetrol and water, I used the Artist Loft white with Liquitex pouring medium and water only, and it didn't really make a difference other than making the white shinier. So let me know what you guys think about this Dutch pour, and hopefully you like it. I am loving it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also share this video, I'd really appreciate it. And have a great day.